Alright, in this lesson 2.07 we're going to talk about the surface area and volume of pyramids part 2. And again, don't forget your course and section number with all communication to me so that way I can help you faster. And the objectives in today's lesson is to find the volume of pyramids. And I just left the new terms. There isn't really any new terms for this lesson, but I just left the terms from last lesson on there because they're all still important for even when you're finding volume. Also left in this slide showing you all the parts for you to go back and look at because they're all important as well, looking for the volume. And then just introducing you to the formula for the volume of a pyramid. You remember our prisms before were base times height. Well, for the volume of a pyramid, it's going to be 1/3 the base times height, which tells us that if you take any kind of prism, 1/3 of it is going to be the volume of its pyramid. I thought that was pretty cool. So here again, B is the area of the base and H is the height of the prism. So this blue part is the area of the base. This red dot dash line is going to be your height. It doesn't matter whether it's oblique or if it's right, the same formula works. So here we've got an example, find the volume of each pyramid. This is a square pyramid that's lopsided. But anyway, telling us it's a square is telling us that all these sides have equal length. So to find the area of the base, remember that's just s squared, length times width, s times s squared. The length is 12, so 12 squared is 144, so one thing down, we have found the area of the base. Now, if you'll notice, they didn't get, yeah they did, woo, I almost made a mistake there. They did give us the height of the pyramid right here, and it's 14. So all you got to do is the plugging and chugging. You've got the third, you found the capital B's 144. They gave us the height of the pyramid. Do the math. 672. So the volume of the pyramid is 672 centimeters cubed. Okay, that went kind of fast. But look, they gave us the slant height. You don't use it. Now, if we didn't have the height of the pyramid, we might have to use the slant height, but that's another problem. Okay, here's another example. I've got to find the area of the triangular base. I like how they put the word triangle with this little h, so you knew that it was the height of the triangle that you're looking for. Okay. Also, this is a right triangle, so our little b is 9. The height of the triangle is going to be 12. So you plug all that in and you get 54 for the area of the triangle. And then for finding the volume of the pyramid, you're going to take that 54 and plug it in. They gave us the height of the pyramid, which is 22. That gives us 396. So the volume of the pyramid is 396 kilometers cubed. There wasn't much to show you in this lesson, okay? So you just really need to practice the problems and get it down. The volume formula for a pyramid can be applied to any type of pyramid, including an oblique pyramid. And the formula for finding the volume of the pyramid is V equals 1/3 base times height. This lesson was really short. Just be sure to review the lesson 2.07 part 2 about pyramids in your LMS and complete the student guide. Also refer to the reference guide or your geometry textbook. Here's the problems that you need to complete in your problem set for practice before you take your quiz. And also, after you complete these problems, if you have any questions, please let me know before you take the quiz. And then make any note of general questions you may have when you attend CC on Thursday. And again, this one was a super short lesson, but I still appreciate you listening, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.